boy. Well, there's not a lot of light. And it's really hard to see. But that creek just needs 6 inches. Just, it's already dumping. Holy cow, it's dumping already into the highway. It's dumping all of the fort is underwater again. There's a dock in there. This isn't good. This is bad. We can't take any more of this, and this water's moving. And it's right here. Wow. Wow. This water is moving. This is Route 5 and 67, Montgomery County. Water's dumping all over Route 5. Roads are closed. They're going to end up evacuating this neighborhood here. They got it last time. Just a matter of time.